The question that drives me each day is, how does one make the complicated world of payments simple for Salesforce customers? Chargent for Commerce Cloud was developed to ensure that you can use the gateways that you want to use today without having to do any heavy lifting. You won't have to spend time learning about the Salesforce Payments API or your gateway's technical tools, because our experts did this already. In this video, you will see a demo of Lightning B2B Commerce Cloud using Chargent for Commerce Cloud. My name's Don, and I'm from Chargent. If you are on the e-commerce project team for your company and you want to see how Lightning B2B Commerce works, then you are in the right place. As we get started, I have one ask of you and two benefits I want you to know about. First, my ask is that you use the link in the description of this video to download our guide that will teach you how to manage accounts receivable and collections challenges in Salesforce using Chargent. Download the guide using the link in the description of this video right now. Now, benefit number one. You can transact with your gateway of choice today. Without Chargent, getting Commerce Cloud ready to transact with your preferred gateway could be a laborious process. You would need to understand the APIs for both Salesforce Commerce Payments and your gateway, and then you'd have to build the connector and test it thoroughly. Our experts did all of this already. It's ready to go right now. And that means your project team can focus on putting the right product in front of the right buyers at the right time. So if you need to take payments, we've already solved that for you. Benefit number two is that you have access to Chargent's core features. Chargent for Commerce Cloud is an extension of our core Chargent product. And as our customer, you get the benefit of access to all the Chargent core functionality. You'll be ready to collect on invoices, take care of recurring payments, and your call center team can take payments right now in Salesforce. As we get into the demo, I want to level set a bit. I want to help us all understand how Commerce Cloud works and what to expect. Now, first off, the Commerce Cloud is a set of tools that enable organizations to create enterprise-ready commerce solutions. As that is the case, it doesn't make sense for Salesforce to ship ready-to-transact systems. Instead, when you buy Commerce Cloud, you are buying a platform which can support enterprise-grade commerce solutions. Now, all of that is to say, in order to use Commerce Cloud, you will need to be proficient in Salesforce Flow, and your team will need to tweak the flows to make your process fit your organization. The Chargent for Commerce Cloud integration supports the major payment transaction types, which are register token, authorize, capture, void, auth reversal, and refund. Now, while the Chargent integration does support these functions, we are dependent on the Commerce Cloud Payments API team to implement each of them in order for them to work for you. There are two prerequisites to mimic this demo in your own org. One, you should have a fully functional commerce store ready to go. And two, Chargent for Commerce Cloud should be set up as per our implementation and admin guide. We cover that setup in other videos on this channel, so please do subscribe so you can see that. And without further ado, let's see the system in action. First, let's head into the Commerce app from the home page. I'll choose my B2B store and choose the administration tile. And from here, I'll choose Card Payment Gateway from the left-hand side of the screen. And this page is telling me that no integration is selected, so I'll click Link Integration. And from here, I can choose from the gateways that have been integrated. Now today, we are demoing using Paytrace, so I'll click the plus sign next to the Paytrace option. The next page reminds me that this action will impact active sessions that are happening currently on the Commerce Store. I'll click Confirm. For this demo, I've already completed my primary setup, including setting up the gateway credentials and the payment gateway records. Those items are covered in detail in our implementation and administration guide. And now the B2B store is ready to transact. Let's switch our hats over to a coffee buyer. Our coffee buyer today is Rosetta Tharp of Rosetta Coffee in Cotton Plant, Arkansas. She's buying 20 bags of medium roast coffee. Rosetta adds that product to the cart, then views the cart, and she double checks her order. She sees that her volume discount was applied, and she proceeds to check out. Her address is correct, so she clicks Next and chooses a shipping option. She clicks Next again to input her card details on the Commerce Cloud payment form. She'll then click through to confirm her order details, then click Next, and her order is now complete. Now let's switch to our Order Manager hat. We're in the Salesforce Order Management System, and here we can see Rosetta's order, and we can see that her payment was authorized. We'll switch hats again, this time to the Fulfillment Manager. And we pick and pack Rosetta's order. Then we set the fulfillment order to Fulfilled. Now back on the order, we now see that the payment has been captured. Rosetta's coffee will soon be delivered to Cotton Plant, Arkansas, and Chargent for Commerce Cloud made this payment easy for both our business and our customer. And now check out this next video, and I'll meet you over there. My name's Don, and I'm from Chargent, where we are dedicated to helping you make Salesforce payments simple. Remember, we're always here to help.